Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to touch on a video or a subject that I knew we were going to get to soon, and this last go around is going to be a perfect use of it. So alright, we created a list of booleans, true and false. So alright, this video is going to be about the functions any and all. So first of all, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you're clicking the subscribe and the notification bell, because we are still having a video every single day, and I don't want you to get behind or be overwhelmed. But the purpose of this channel is, well, this is your channel. What you want to see happen, you guys ask for it. You guys are really starting to do that, and I really appreciate it. So any comments, questions, or video requests, please leave them below. This channel is to help you learn Python. So alright, so right now name is a list of Boolean statements. So alright, now check this out. So any, well, we know how to run help any. So alright, iterable, return true if boolean is true on any of the iterable, and then if it's empty, false. So alright, so any, pretty cut and dry. If any are true, if any is true. Now all, guess what? They all have to be true, and that's false because we do have some false statements in here. So that is just that's it in a nutshell. I knew we were going to get to them. We were getting really close, and this is something where you can make a test and run through anything, and then you wrap this in so you don't even have to check it. Are there any trues to continue on? Or let's say you want them all to be true, and then it fails out. So you don't have to go through and do any other crazy writing, because there's always something written for you in Python. Somebody else has run across it, and there's outside libraries, and that is why I absolutely love Python. This has been built for decades now. But again, can't say thank you enough for you guys being here. And next video, I think I said it last time, but I wanted to get this one out today. But next video, I promise, we'll take a little bit of a poll and see what outside module, outside library we'd like to learn about. I think we'll do, well, I don't know which ones yet, so I guess that's a little bit of a tease. So make sure you are watching and subscribing, because the next outside library, it's going to be completely up to you guys. So thanks again for being here. Please don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe and notification bell, and please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below, because like I said before, this is your channel. This is here to help you learn. So I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.